Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. Today we're going to be talking about measuring modeled threads. If you have a bolt or a bolt hole with a thread modeled in the CAD geometry, simply measure a circle inner or an outer and pick the helical thread spline, and Checkmate will calculate the thread pitch and keep all of the hits on the design thread edge. You can see I've got Checkmate here with a bolt with a thread, and if I zoom up a little bit, you can see when I move my mouse cursor over the CAD here, it's kind of over the face of the thread. You can actually see the width, so it's the entire kind of face there. But that's not what we're after. We're not after the face. We're after the design helical spline. So if I move my mouse cursor right to the edge, there you can see it. That's the little spline guy that we're after. That's how they designed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to say measure, and we'll say circle outer, and we're going to put our mouse cursor right on that spline and pick it. And now we've got a circle outer measurement. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the front view of this part. So this is, the probe would be kind of approaching from the top if it was going to measure this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to modify this measurement just a little bit. We're just going to rotate it around a little bit. Okay, so that it's, the middle point is kind of up at the top there at 12 o'clock, kind of where the probe would be approaching. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag these side measurements just up a little bit so they're not undercut. There we go, that's fine. So now we'll just rotate this, and you can see, looking at the measurement graphically, it doesn't even look like it's on that threaded edge. It looks like maybe the middle one is, but you can see the one on the outside here, it doesn't even look like it's on the part. And then this first one over here looks like it's on the on the face of the thread, not on the edge of the thread. But if we go and double click on this measurement that we've just created, okay, on the checking tab, you can see it knows that we're doing it. The check method is a thread, and it's already calculated the nominal thread pitch. Okay, so I'm just going to say OK to this, and let's simulate it. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to right click and say simulate, and look at, you can see the probe is actually hitting right on the edge for every hit. Simulate that one more time. Okay, so that's how you go and measure a thread that's right in the CAD design.